Kharge versus Adhir Rao has erupted over the alliance with the TMC in West Bengal. The Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has rebuked party leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary over his anti-Mamta remarks. While addressing a joint press conference along Indi allies in Mumbai, Kharge said that Mamta Banerjee is with the alliance as she has recently said that she will join the government, further adding that High Command to decide an alliance with Mamta, not Adhir or other leaders, and those who do not fall in line will be thrown out of the party. Listen in.
Mamta ji पहले तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम बाहर से सपोर्ट करते हैं। रिसेंटली और एक स्टेटमेंट उनका आया है कि अगर सरकार बनती है तो सरकार में हम शामिल हो जाएंगे। तो नेचुरली वो गठबंधन के साथ है, ये स्पष्ट है। अब रही बात अधीर रंजन चौधरी की, अधीर रंजन चौधरी निर्णय लेने वाले नहीं, निर्णय लेने वाले हम हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी है, हाईकमांड है, इसीलिए वो हम जो निर्णय लेंगे वही सही होगा। हम जो तय करेंगे फॉलो करें, अगर कोई फॉलो नहीं करता तो वो बाहर जाएगा।
Now remember, this comes after Mamta's statement on external support that has triggered intense political debate. While a few allies of the INDI bloc welcomed the support, Adhir Ranjan openly said that he does not trust Mamta, citing that she can also go towards BJP if the results are favorable to them.
मैं उनसे भरोसा नहीं करते, गठबंधन छोड़ के भागी उन्होंने, उनकी बातों पे कोई भरोसा नहीं। अगर बीजेपी की तरफ ज्यादा भारी रहे तो वो उस तरफ भी जा सकते। मुझे उनके ऊपर कोई भरोसा नहीं कि गठबंधन तोड़ने वाली ममता बनर्जी सबने देखा है। और दुहाई देने की चलते कांग्रेस पार्टी को हिंदुस्तान में खत्म करने की बात कर रहे थे कि कांग्रेस 40 से ज्यादा सीट मिलेगा ही नहीं, कांग्रेस खत्म हो चुके हैं। अभी दुहाई देना शुरू कर दी। इसका मतलब ये कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरे गठबंधन जो है कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ दूसरे जो गठबंधन है वो सत्ता पे आ रहे हैं। इसके लिए अभी मतलब जिसको कहते हैं कि लाइन लगाना शुरू कर दिया ममता बनर्जी।
Well, for more on this, we have Adrija. Adrija, give a sense of what's happening in Bengal. Congress leadership is playing an act of balance. Their own leaders in Bengal are saying we are not in favor of Mamta Banerjee. What's happening in Congress?
Well, absolutely. You see, since the beginning, we have seen how TMC have come out and have especially mentioned that they are a part of the India alliance, but the Congress and the left in Bengal particularly are not part of the India alliance, and they are fighting against TMC. And TMC have also claimed that the Congress and the CPM are helping the BJP to win the election and cut votes for the TMC in this Lok Sabha elections. And now, when this statement comes from the Congress High Command, where the TMC have been demanding since the beginning of the elections that, the Delhi Congress should clear their stand on the India alliance and on the role that the TMC and Mamata Banerjee will be playing. And now we have seen that Mallikarjun Kharge have clearly said, have clearly given a statement, in fact, in favor of Mamata Banerjee and, not so much in favor of their own party leader, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. However, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary have mentioned that, this is an ideological fight and he can't stop this fight and he will continue to save his party in the state of West Bengal.
Right. Adrija, we also have Shishir joining us from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Very good morning to you, sir. Well, we are seeing a rift widening between the Congress party in itself in the West Bengal, where Kharge is playing a balancing act, but Adhir Ranjan is going all out against Mamata Banerjee.
This is a matter internal to Congress party. I would not like to go into that, but related to this is a larger issue. As the polls are now, the fifth phase is tomorrow. With that, nearly 450 or some seats would have polled. It's very clear what is which way the people are supporting. So it's quite normal that in the losing camp, these kinds of differences will surface. I don't see anything more than that. And for Kharge ji to rebuke his own state leader, that's the internal issue. But Mamata Banerjee herself says, I'm going to support Indi only from outside. So from being one of the founders to outsider, by sixth phase, she will say there is no India alliance.
So you said we also have Dr. Shantanu Sen also joining us. So what do you have to say about the rift in Congress party? And one point that Adhir Ranjan is raising, that if even BJP forms the government in Bengal, then the TMC will give their support to them. Dr. Shantanu Sen, if you can hear me, then I'm asking that the Congress party's rift in West Bengal is widening, but one point that Adhir has highlighted is that if BJP also forms government in Bengal, then Mamta is likely to extend her support to the Bharatiya Janata Party. What do you have to say about it?
Do you think that on any particular day sun can rise in the west side? BJP forming government in West Bengal is never possible. Secondly, we have been saying since day one that in our state of West Bengal, Congress under the leadership of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has become zero. And their main motto is to damage Trinamool Congress with the help of CPIM just to give oxygen to BJP. That's why Mamata Banerjee has said Trinamool Congress is very much in India alliance, but outside Bengal. And in our state of West Bengal, BJP will be taken head-on by Trinamool Congress only.
Right. Shantanu Sen, stay with us. We have also Shishir Bajoria on the phone line with us. Shishir, the Bharatiya Janata Party will never form the government in West Bengal. That's what the TMC is claiming. What do you have to say?
I was listening to the TMC Neta about sun rising from the west. This is exactly what CPM said. What happened in 2011? Please do not underestimate the power of the people. This is a democracy. The problem is Congress and all its derivatives do not believe in democracy. The power of the people, they can make anything happen. 2011, this is what CPM felt. Now see what has happened. And Shantanu, you will see what happens in 2026. Now, as far as this thing of blaming this one and that one thing is very clear. Mamata ji says Congress and CPM is helping BJP. CPM is saying Trinamool is helping BJP. Who's the common factor? Every side believes it is BJP which is going to rule Bengal by people's support, by people's will very soon.
Shishir Bajoria said that the BJP can form government and do not underestimate how the other leaders as well. Shantanu Sen, what's your reaction to this? Is there a BJP or Modi Leher in West Bengal?
I think Shishir Bajoria ji has become a very good daydreamer. That's why he is dreaming so. In 2021, prior to Assembly election, Mr. Modi ji, along with Mr. Amit Shah ji and a couple of ministers, dozen of MPs, MLAs, chief ministers from other BJP ruled states, they used to come here like daily passengers, spending crores and crores of rupees of money, staying in 7-star hotel, using electronic, print, social media, a portion of election commission. They used to say, "Abki baar 200 par." And they got stuck at 77 only, and now it has come down to almost 65, 66. Exact number even they do not know. Now they have started saying "Abki baar 400 par." Let's see what people gives in a term of befitting reply, and that will be reflected on 4th of June when the counting will be complete. Because people of India, they are waiting for a new political, economic and social freedom. And that's why they are depending on India alliance.
Right. Thank you so much, Shantanu Sen and Shishir Bajoria, for joining us. Who will form the government in West Bengal remains to be seen, with the war of words continue as Adhir Ranjan claims that TMC can even extend their support to the Bharatiya Janata Party, while the Congress High Command Kharge says that there will be a balancing act and Mamata is allowed to give external support.